Hey guys, it's Archie Luxury on the Archie Luxury channel. Guys, I have arrived in Dallas, Texas, and I want to show you the loom, the shroom loom. Everything is bigger in Texas. So let's have a look. So we just come in. This is the doorway, and we walk straight in. Look what we've got. We've got this beautiful mirror here. We've got a wardrobe. It's got an ironing facilities. Hey, that could be handy. It's got drawers. It's got everything here. It's got a little coffee machine. There's a little refrigerator. Cool. Excellent. It's got everything you could possibly want. Now, I've just hung a few clothes. Oh, it's even got a room safe. Look at that. Cool. A room safe. That's so cool. And if we have a look into the bedroom, look at this. It's monster size. Everything in Texas is bigger. Have a look at this. It's a beautiful, look at this. It's just beautiful. Very cozy. The biggest bed I've ever seen in my life. Side table. We got a view outside here. If you might close this up. Look at this. Everything is so big in Texas. It's incredible. I got a little work area here. A work area with a big TV on the screen, on the wall. It's really, really impressive. Look at these doors. My God, I've never seen anything like it. It's like a barn door. It's like a barn door. Look at this. It's like 2.5 meters tall. It's like Herman Monster's room. Everything is bigger in Texas. And I gotta say, I really like it. The loom. Let's just have a look here. So it's got some amenities. That's your little basin there. You got a toilet and a shower. It's nice, modern, clean, beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Special thank you to Bondage for paying for the loom. Absolutely amazing. And guys, I don't know what to say. It's just absolutely incredible. So there you go, guys. I'm Archie Luxury. Tell me what you think of the loom. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm in Dallas, Texas. What? This is incredible. This US tour is absolutely amazing.